Hello guys and welcome here. In today's video we'll be talking about how to put a text behind an object in Adobe Photoshop CC 2019. You could as well use this procedure in other Adobe Photoshop versions. So if you are new in this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit on the bell so that you won't miss any of our updates. Let's get into our work. Hello once more, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial we'll be talking about how to put a text behind this image. So the first thing is to duplicate this image, or hit Ctrl J, and secondly input our text, press T, input text of your choice. Now our main goal is to put this text behind this image. Next, you have to place this text between your two files like this. Add some lines to it. If your Photoshop doesn't have rollers, you can hit Ctrl R so that it appears. Then you click up and maintain to drag so that you put points to highlight the main area that you are going to mask, so that your text crosses that area. Now I will check back this one. I will pick a pen tool. Now I will zoom it this way and mask out as from this point. Make sure to mask it out well. Like this. Because if you don't do that, it won't be accurate. So I don't need to go further because this is where my text is going to cross. So as from this area, I will just make a straight line over to this place. And since I want my text to completely go behind this, means I have to also mask out this area. So I'll speed up the process. And as from this area, all you need to do is to go back and click on this dot to highlight the area you want. Press Ctrl Alt and then you press Enter to make a selection, or you right click and then you go to make selection, hit OK. So after making your selection, you go to layer mask, and then you hit on reveal selection. So now you can see our text is behind our object without any problem. If you wanted this text to go in between our legs, as from this area, we just needed to highlight or to mask out our leg from this particular position. That is why if we are trying to move this text upward or downward, you see that as from here it gets, because our masking ended here. I hope you really enjoyed this tutorial on how to put a text behind an object in Adobe Photoshop CC 2019. You can also apply these methods on other Adobe Photoshop to get this effect. Don't forget to hit on the subscribe button. Don't forget to like and share. I will see you in the next tutorial.